Hello, again, another day, another video of our challenge. So today we will continue working on that new component, shared component in the infrastructure area, not in the application area. Yesterday we created the the resources, and now we need to create pipelines for deploying them into the environment. So let me jump into the browser. So I will just start another Pomodoro session for us. Okay, so we are here. We need to create another pipeline for deploying that shared services monitoring resource group. So I will just copy the pipeline for resource group SSM, and yes. So here I will just remove that, maybe deploy resource group SHD shared services. So here we have deploy to subscription, but it will be that resource group ssm.shd. Okay, and we need to create new service principal for our resources. So I will go into registration here. Oh, okay, VMs RG, new registration, VMs RG SSM SHD deployment, register. And here in certificates, federated credentials, select scenario. Okay. So here probably we need to go into settings also. We need to create another environment like SHD, like shared configure environment. And okay, we don't want to have any restrictions for deployments for now, at least. So my organization, VM start stop entity type environment SHD, like shared, VM RG SSM SHD deployment. Okay, we already have that configuration. So I will jump into my pipeline. Maybe I will close for a while. Deploy SSM SHD here. Okay, deploy some SHD resource group. Okay, and here in our resource service principal we will use the newly created application ID. So I will go not into enterprise application, in that new one, object ID, as I remember. Maybe in our documentation. No. Deployment, not principal, object ID of the enterprise. Okay. So here I will update. So thanks to this, we will get new resource group deployed for our shared resources, for our shared services monitoring services. and we will get the assignment for the service principal, which will be used in the deployment of the resources itself. So, okay, I will just not deploy resource group, shd resource group. Okay, status add src commit add update principal id for spn for smshd deployment. Git add, git commit, add pipeline for resource smshd rg deployment. Okay, I will push that, and let's see if it will be deployed. Okay, our GitHub Actions. Okay, now currently a free pipeline start. So yeah, I can just cancel that run, and also I can cancel that resources one because it's not necessary. So it would be good to add some filtering later for those pipelines to not run them always, but only for some in the dedicated scenarios. So let's wait a second for that. Here I have that updated, so I can close that. I can add that link into the documentation. Okay, so I will close that too. This I will close too. For example, that application configuration also can be a shared. Maybe not in that way, because we can have two different types of shared services. One is kind of that platform one for whole organization, whole region, whole component, let's say, and one shared services for the application itself. So for example, if we have different environments for the application, or we have different applications but using the same kind of component, then we have that kind of shared services, local shared services, and that Azure app configuration can be a local shared services, local shared service for the application itself. Okay. Okay, I can close that too. Okay. It failed because environment shd. What happened? Okay. The question, no, it using, okay, because then that sub deployment needs to have not enterprise application, but intra app registration sub deployment needs to have also another configuration here, action VM start stop environment shd. I will just open, maybe I will close that sub deployment. Okay. Start stop environment shd sub deployment shd VMs. Okay, can I can't, so I need to recreate that. Stop shd VMs sub shd. Okay, and if I would rerun job file jobs, okay, then I should get deployment of resource group with assignment of the role. So let's see what will happen. In the meantime, I'll just try to check that configuration. I don't know what is the password here, to be honest. I don't remember. Admin. So I need to recreate that, but great that I have the configuration stored in the repository, then I can re-upload that. Okay, let's try. Okay, it's trying to install probably the PowerShell in the newest version. Oh, I see that AZ login updates as updated. It's using already that 11.3.1 version, not 9 point something. So the process is that here we will create the resource group. We will deploy the resource group with role assignment for the new service principal. Then I need to, maybe in the meantime, waiting for the result, I can copy that pipeline and deploy smshd resources YAML deploy smshd resources environment shd. I need to create another secret in the repository. Oh, it's running. Great. So in the new card, I will create new secret for VMs rgsmshd. No, I don't remember the name again. New repository secret. Of course, maybe it could be shds client ID, and we need to get that that client ID. As I remember, enterprise application, that one. it's an application ID. We will try. Okay, so here we already should get the resource group, new resource group with resource group, yes, SSM, PLC, SHD, and here role assignment, contributor, yeah, that new SPN is already assigned. So here, yeah, I can remove that code, deploy SHD, SSM, SHD, and that resource group name is here. Link to git push, and let's see. So now that that pipeline, we have already 4 pipelines. Sorry, it's the typo. Okay, I'm not pushing that. Okay. Okay. So, probably I haven't copied that ID. So maybe that one should be. It's object ID, so I don't think so. But let's see. I need to double authenticate me. Okay. Where unfilled jobs. It would be nice if we will get running all pipelines. But let's see if I will be able to do that. Here, or I can cancel all of that other pipelines. Okay, using type. Not all values ensure client ID and tenant ID are supplied. Double check if the auth type is correct. So maybe Microsoft Entra. That application ID. Okay, let's see if it will work. If not, we will continue in another episode. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, it's running. Again, okay. We'll continue fixing that in another episode. So thanks for today, thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow in fixing those pipelines and making the infrastructure wrap up and running. See you, have a nice day and have a nice evening.